Good evening, dear students. This is the Avinash sir. Once again, welcome back all of you in the subject maintenance and repair of structure. So, guys, this is the last lecture for unit number 2, causes and detection of damages. And today I come with the new concept, that is various non-destructive testing methods. There are various testing methods which we are going to study. First one is the rebound concrete hammer test. Second one, ultrasonic pulse velocity test. In short, we can call it UPV test. Rebar locator test, crack detection microscope test, chloride test, sulfate attack test, pH measurement test, half cell potentiometer test. So let's start with the first test, rebound concrete hammer test. So here is the rebound hammer test. Here you can see the whole setup of the rebound hammer test. Here is the testing specimen. This is your testing specimen. We place this rebound hammer machine horizontally towards the concrete block. Here you can see the impact spring. This is the plunger. This is the hammer mass. This is the housing of rebound hammer. Here you can see the rider on guide rod. Here window and scale through which we can see the rebound number. This bar is the hammer guide. Here you can see the release catch. This is the locking button. Here you can see the compression spring. So this is the component detailing of the rebound hammer test. Now let's see what is the procedure for rebound hammer test. First of all, check the rebound hammer against the testing anvil before commencement of test to ensure the reliability of results. Before starting the rebound hammer test, we should check the correctness of the measurements against the testing anvil. Second, identify the testing location for damaged or without damaged structure. First of all, find out the testing location where we are going to test the rebound hammer test. After that, identify the point of impact at least 20 mm away from the edge and mark with the marker. The testing place should be 20 mm away from the edge and you have to mark it with the help of marker. After that, remove the plaster and clean the target surface of concrete or masonry work. Where you want to do the test, that surface should be clean and neat. Keep the plunger of rebound hammer touching to the surface in horizontal, vertical or inclined position as per the suitability of site condition. Now 6 point says, press the casing of hammer so that the impact spring around the hammer will wind up around the plunger. So in this, after placing the rebound hammer against the testing specimen, you have to press the casing so that hammer will wind up around the plunger. 7. Release the dashpot button or release pin so that the hammer mass attached to guide rod will impact on the target surface. After that, based on the resistance offered by the surface in terms of hardness, this mass will rebound back. Then, due to backward movement of attached mass, pointer on graduated scale will move accordingly. After the impact of needle on the concrete surface, it will bounce back because of the hardness of that surface and it will give the readings on graduated scale. So this is the procedure for calculating or carrying out to rebound hammer test. Few more points also there. Measure the reading on graduated scale. जो रीडिंग ग्रेजुएटेड स्केल पे आ रहा है उसको मेजर करना है. 10th, repeat the above step at least 5 more times. You have to repeat that process for 5 more times on the same point at the same surface with same position to get more accurate observation by taking the average. Last one, find out compressive strength against a rebound number. So this process we are going to see on the YouTube video also. So just keep in mind the procedure. So here is the table for rebound number. If rebound number is greater than 40, our concrete structure is very good. If rebound number is in between 30 to 40, it is good quality. Rebound number if varies between 20 to 30, it is fair quality concrete. And if rebound number is less than 20, it is poor quality concrete. Rebound number is equal to 0, it is very poor or delaminated concrete जो खराब हुआ है पूरा. So here you can see one graph. With the help of this graph we are going to calculate the compressive strength. If you have rebound number 40, you can get the compressive strength like this. This is your compressive strength. So with the help of this graph you can calculate the compressive strength. On the y-axis they denote the compressive strength and on the x-axis there is a rebound number. So what are the different advantages of rebound hammer test? First is it is simple procedure of testing and commonly adopted equipment. ये commonly adopt किया जाता है rebound hammer. This method is quick and less expensive. It is very quick and very less cost. This method is applicable to any surface of testing. We can apply it horizontal, vertical or inclined surface. This method is primarily used for determination of concrete strength for damaged and undamaged structure and at in situ or in laboratory. इसको हम laboratory या in situ condition में भी use कर सकते हैं for determination of concrete strength. Some limitations also there for the rebound hammer test. First one is the compressive strength of concrete gives an approximate result. It not gives the accurate, but it gives approximate result. Second, the result of this test are affected by the parameters such as nature of testing surface. Rebound hammer test is directly affected by the testing surface, shape and size of specimen, rigidity of that specimen, also age of that specimen, moisture conditions. If there any carbonation, it also affects the rebound hammer test, and various ingredients of the concrete mix. So these are the factors which affect the rebound hammer test. Okay, this is all about today's lecture.